Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Yeezy 350 V2 black and red, also known as the Breads. These are actually my favorite colorway. So the first time they came out, I entered the raffle and I didn't win. I think this was a few years ago now, but I've always wanted these. And I entered the raffle last week and I managed to win these. And I paid $179.95 for these. So I'll quickly unbox them now and do a quick on foot, and then take it from there. So we have the 350 in the box, and we've got Boost on the side. Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas, and then we've got the sizing information there. So we've got the SPLY 350 logo on the side there in red. Got your tags on there. Usually comes with 3 tags. Okay, so yeah, I mean, I really like this colorway. I think it pretty much goes with everything. There was also another colorway that they released recently, but it was only released in America, and I can't remember what the color was called, but it was like a khaki green, and it didn't have the logo there. They were just plain, and they were really nice as well. But unfortunately, you couldn't get those in the UK. But yeah, I'm gonna do a quick on foot now, and then I'll end up the video. Cheers, guys.